Hello, hello, hello. This is David for Elizabeth Craft Designs, and I'm coming to you with something really fun. I am thrilled to introduce to you my new special, and it's really a fun one. I've been getting a lot of questions when I was making ATCs with older ATC dies. Are you coming back with some new ATC dies? And yes, here we are with some new ATC dies, and I'm happy to introduce to you the Movie Night ATC Special. And boy, is it a fun one. So let's switch the cameras around and let me introduce you to this fun special kit. So here in front of you, you see the complete special, and I will get to this in a second. But first, let me start. There's a fun stamp set with two styles of stamps for the back, some decorating bits, and all of these bits come with a matching die. So it's very fun to build up fun ATCs. I will show you some samples in a second. And these are the dies. Now, let me talk you through those because they are fun. There are two styles of ATC cards. So the top row is a more generic, grungy looking ATC card. So what you get is one, the base card, two is a matte layer for the front, and this one is a die to match the stamp, this one on the back. So that's those. Then we've got the more movie themed one. So again, and it's all in the grungy style. It comes with the Art Journal Specials collection, but I love this style as well. So there we go. That's the base card, a matte layer in an old movie strip, and a die to cut out your back layer with a stamp if you don't want to stamp directly on the back of the card, which always is an option. And then you've got all these matching dies to go with it, a fun little chair to go with it. So you can really build up fun ATCs. Now this stencil is also really fun, and it comes with the special. It's got different ATC sized stencils that you can just put over your card stencil and be done with. So to decorate, that's a lot of fun as well. So that is included. And then in your special is also this fun MDF box. We call this box the ATC collection box. And one of the challenges I had was that we have the ATC journal. Mine is really full and bulky, and that is because this one contains all my ATCs that I got while trading. So these are not the ones that I made myself, these are the ones I received. But I want to use my journal for when I'm traveling and have my own ATCs in it. So we needed something fun to store our ATC cards in. The ones that we receive, or well, whatever you want to store in there fairly, but I'll get to that in a second. So that is what this one is. This is called the ATC collection box. And this is what it looks like when it's assembled. Cute, right? Now in the die set you also see this bigger die here and the two different tabs you can use. That is to make your dividers. So these are slightly bigger than ATC cards, and you can make dividers to go into your ATC collection box. So these are the ones I made, these are ready to trade, and these are the ones that I received. For instance, these words trade and traded are also in your stamp set. So really fun, really fun to do. And yeah, the box is going to be able to decorate many different styles. This is one with crackle paint, this is one I did with design paper. Really fun to do as well. And here you see a different way to put a label on the front. You can slide in a card and write something on it as well. This is one I did with the decoupage technique, and that I turned into a storage box. And there will be some fun things coming up, and I will be teaching a class with this, but that's for later. But yeah, I will be teaching a class with this and decorating the boxes with paints and paper and stuff. So that's going to be fun. But that'll come, more information on that will come later, but you want that. It's going to be really fun. So there is a video online on how to assemble this box. So that is part of your special. But the good news is this one will also be available for sale separately. So that is great with that box, because fairly you need more than one. To be honest, you need more than one. There's so many opportunities for this one. Yes, it's called ATC collection box, but you can turn it into a storage box. There's so much things you can do. tags will fit in there. I'll get to all of that later on in later videos, lives we will be promoting this throughout the month to come. But yeah, and later, because this is so much fun. This will not go away. So this one will stay. The special, when it's gone, it's gone. So that is what is always the case with the specials. So that is Movie Night ATC Special. So it's got a big die set, an A4 size die set. It's got an A5 stamp set, a stencil, and your ATC collection box. All in one beautiful set, ready to go. Have fun with it. I really hope you like it as much as we do. And yeah, I look forward to seeing all the boxes and all the beautiful ATC cards. I was going to show you some samples, right? Here we go. Here are just some samples that I made for the ATC cards. And they are just fun to make. And keep an eye out. The design team will start posting amazing samples. But this is just fun. I love these. So much fun to play with. And I keep saying that, but ATC cards are so much fun to play with. So I hope you like it as much as we do. Thank you for joining me now. And I'm looking forward to seeing all the beautiful ATC cards and, of course, beautiful boxes online. Thank you very much. Bye.